We are cooking with love again today, and on the menu we've got grilled tilapia fish. Hope you enjoy our recipe.
Hello everybody, it's Pink Sister in the kitchen today, coming at you with a brand new video. Today we're making tilapia, which is a type of fish. But first of all, could we have a shout out from Diamond Lady, please? Alright, on to our ingredients. So this is the fish we're going to be grilling today. It has been well seasoned, and the seasoning that you see around it was made from these ingredients here. We have some guinea pepper, anise, some clove, and then some dried rosemary. We have our special spice mix, and then we have these outer ingredients. We have some onions, some ginger, some chili, some lemon, and then we have some garlic, and those were all blended together along with some oil just to give this really nice looking seasoning. Over here we have some vegetables which we'll be grilling the fish alongside with. We have some red peppers, yellow peppers, green peppers, along with some onions. We have some squirty oil here, and then we have table salt being our last ingredient. Let's get on with the cooking!
Hello everyone, this is Diamond Lady, and I'm taking over with the cooking. Today on the menu we are grilling tilapia fish. I am going to start off by washing the tilapia fish with some water and a bit of lemon juice or vinegar, or if you don't have any at home, you can add some salt. Once I'm done with the washing, I am going to clean all the unwanted bits off the fish, ready for seasoning. So I usually cut a bit of gata in the fish, as when I season the fish, I want the season to get to the bone of the fish. So I'm getting the season mixed done now, and I'm adding in there some ginger, anise seeds, some scotch bonnet, some onions, some garlic, some huentia, which is also called Senegalese pepper or guinea pepper, some clove seeds, some spices, oil, last but not the least, some dried rosemary. Once I am done blending the season mix, I am going to add it to the fish, making sure I cover all the fish with the season mix. And once I'm done covering the fish with the season mix or rubbing it in, I am going to set it on the side for at least 30 to 45 minutes before I put it in the grill. This looks good already. So afterwards, I'm going to line my tray with some foil, ready for the fish. I can't wait to grill. This is how good the fish is looking even before I grill it. So I am not going to put any oil in the pan before putting the fish in there, as I've already added some oil to the blend mix, and that is enough for me to be able to flip the fish whenever I want to. You remember I washed the fish with some lemon juice, and because I was thinking people might not have lemon juice at home, at least you might have some vinegar or salt. Those two could replace the lemon juice. I use this to wash the fish because fish naturally has a pungent smell, and by washing with lemon juice or vinegar or a bit of salt, that helps to reduce the pungent smell and it makes the fish taste better. So once I'm done arranging the fish, I'm going to cover it with a foil, and I'm going to pop it in the oven for at least 30 minutes. I covered it with the foil because I didn't want the direct heat to hit the fish. This is looking good after 30 minutes. This looks so delicious already. Pink Sister and I, Diamond Lady, are getting excited in here. We can't wait to eat this fish. So I am checking on the fish every now and then, making sure that it's cooking well, as I don't want my fish to dry out. So look at that. That looks good already, isn't it? I know. But because I want the heat to hit the other side of the fish, I am going to flip the fish around, which doesn't look too good here. But hey, by the time we're done grilling this fish, you will love the look of it. So all I'm doing is flipping the fish, and I'm going to do it gently and slowly so that I don't break the fish into pieces. Once this fish is done grilling, I can either have it with some white rice or some wache, maybe some banku, or even with my cassava couscous, which is acheke, or whatever I want to eat my fish with. It's up to me, isn't it? I'm just spoiled with choice, and I'm not sure what I'll be eating my fish with today. Pink Sister loves tilapia fish as well, and I love tilapia fish, and we love cooking it. Whenever we're cooking, that's the time we tell ourselves stories. I always have a lot to tell Pink Sister anyway, because obviously I'm older than her. So I am adding a bit of oil to the fish. That was me using the spray bottle. And now I'm not going to cover the fish with any foil. I'm going to put it directly into the oven, as I want the direct heat to hit the fish. And after about 20 minutes, look at how gorgeous it's looking. I'm adding in there some peppers and some onions. Oh, come to think of it, that looks like Ghana flag, red, yellow, green, but without the black star. This looks delicious. The aroma from the oven is just unbelievable. So I am putting on top of all the veggie mix some lemon slices, as I still want to reduce the pungent smell, and I'm spraying just a little bit of the oil, not too much of it, as I want to avoid the fish being soggy with oil. And I'm going to leave it in there for at least between 20 to 25 minutes, and voila, this is how good the fish looks like. Hope you enjoyed this cooking. Don't forget to like, share, and be a subscriber. Thank you.